Dear students, Namaste. This is Pratik Taude from Vidyalankar Polytechnic, Vadala, Mumbai, welcoming you to this module on mobile phone and unit. In this module, we are going to learn block diagram and working of mobile unit and frequency synthesizer unit. In this module, the learners will be able to explain with relevant sketch the block diagram of mobile unit and mobile phone frequency synthesizer unit. Figure shows block diagram of cellular handset, that is mobile phone unit. A cellular telephone handset or mobile unit consists of transmitter, receiver, frequency synthesizer, logic unit, control unit, antenna, LCD display, keyboard, microphone, speakers, and battery. Now we will study function of each block. Transmitter. It is low power FM unit operating in the frequency range of 825 to 845 MHz. There are 666 30 kHz transmit channels. The carrier is furnished by a frequency synthesizer is a phase modulated by voice signal. Receiver. The receiver is a dual conversion superheterodyne. The incoming signal frequency is down converted twice to frequency of 455 kHz or 10.7 MHz with the help of mixer and IF amplifier stages. The signal is then demodulated, de-emphasized and filtered and given to loudspeaker. Frequency synthesizer. This block generates all the signals used by transmitter and receivers. It uses standard PLL circuits and mixer. Logic unit. This unit contains master control circuit for a cellular radio. It is made up of microprocessor with RAM, which stands for random access memory, and ROM, which stands for read-only memory, and additional circuit used for interpreting signals from MSC and base station and generates control signal for transmitter and receiver. Control unit. The control unit contains the handset with speaker and microphone. The control unit is operated by a separate microprocessor that drives the LCD display and other indicators. Figure shows block diagram of mobile phone frequency synthesizer unit. The synthesizer is used for developing all the signals used by transmitter and receiver. It uses PLL circuit and mixer. The crystal oscillator provides a reference for the two PLL. The output of voltage controlled oscillator 2 is used as a local oscillator frequency for first mixer in the receiver. The output of two voltage controlled oscillator are mixed together to produce transmitter output frequency. The frequency divider block receives the divide by numbers from the logic section. These numbers are given by MTSO computer. The divide by number will set transmitting and receiving channel frequencies. The two output produced by frequency synthesizer are applied to the modulator box in the transmitter and the first mixer in the receiver respectively. Thus, the frequency synthesizer acts as a local oscillator which can produce a wide range of frequencies with high stability. Now, it's time to reflect and think. Consider this question: which mobile phone and units you have learnt. Now pause your video Think and record your answers in the notebook. Once you have done, then play the video. I am very thankful for attending this module on mobile phone and unit. I wish you all the best for further learning. Thank you, my dear students.